Use the TextAid feature image to text to convert scanned document to readable text. Upload your scanned image in a variety of formats, including PDF, TIFF, PNG, GIF and JPEG. After uploading the image, select the language of the document. Save your document as either a read-only file or an editable text. Open the editable document in the library. The document will then appear in the text editor. When you save a document as a read-only file, it will also appear in the library. Thanks to OCR, you can now listen to the document. In 1929, Gustav Tauskek obtained a patent on OCR in Germany. We asked our users what their favorite feature of TextAid is. It reads PDFs that have been scanned as pictures instead of with OCR, according to Janet. Sign up for a trial and get started with TextAid today.